5 foods that enhance your gut health. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of bacteria that play a key role in digestion, metabolism, and even immune function. Here are 5 foods that can help improve your gut health. 1. Yogurt benefits of probiotics. Yogurt is one of the best sources of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help balance your gut microbiome. Probiotics aid in digestion, reduce inflammation, and enhance nutrient absorption. Avoid those high in sugar, as excess sugar can promote the growth of harmful bacteria. 2. Fermented foods variety of options. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and miso are rich in probiotics. They undergo a fermentation process that fosters beneficial bacteria, culture, and gut health. These foods not only add unique flavors, but also contribute to a more diverse gut microbiome, which is associated with improved gut health. 3. Prebiotic-rich foods understanding. Prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for probiotics. They help beneficial gut bacteria thrive. Food sources. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas are excellent sources of prebiotics. Incorporating these into your diet can enhance your gut health. 4. Whole grains benefits of dietary fiber. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice are high in dietary fiber. Fiber aids digestion and supports regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of gastrointestinal issues. Impact on gut microbiome. A diet rich in whole grains has been linked to increased levels of beneficial gut bacteria, promoting overall gut health. Fiber. Fresh choices, berries, apples, pears, broccoli, and carrots are particularly beneficial. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can enhance gut microbial diversity. Conclusion. Incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can significantly enhance your gut health. Prioritizing probiotics and prebiotics, along with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, creates a balanced approach to nourishing your gut microbiome. Remember, a healthy gut can lead to improved digestion, better immune function, and overall well-being.